Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Apple gift card to Apple Pay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and simply open up your browser and tap in Apple gift card. Now right over here we have option of simply buying it. We can go ahead, tap on the buy, and we shall be able to have a gift card. But in case we have simply received a gift card and we would simply like to know whether we can transfer the money from our Apple gift card worth, let's say it's a 500 worth of gift card, can we transfer to our Apple Pay? So the thing is, Apple gift card doesn't work like that. Over here you can see the overview for it. Apple gift card is simply you can redeem it in the Apple store or any Apple purchases, any Apple product purchases that you do with your card itself. You can transfer it to your Apple ID to store it for it to be used on your any Apple subscriptions. But unfortunately there is no way you can transfer Apple gift card money to your Apple Pay because that just doesn't exist, and that service is not given by the Apple itself. So unfortunately, as of the information according to the Apple itself, you cannot transfer gift card money to your Apple Pay. That is basically it. You can choose to use it, Apple gift card normal way, just like you do in a store or in any purchasing places, but that is basically it. So hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.